back to Pretty DIYs. Today I will be participating in the Wreaths Galore Collaboration. The hosts are the Grace Life DIY, Penny's Lifestyle Living, and the co-hosts are Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, Sasu Glam Style Living, Jill Styles, Creations by Simone, At Home with Lisa, and Mercy Beauty of Styles. So stay tuned and see how this DIY project turns out. Also, be sure to check out the host and the co-hosts' videos so you can see what they have for you. And also, if you put in the hashtag FunWithWreaths22, you'll be able to see everyone that's participating's videos. For my wreath, I will be using this little wreath that I got from actually the Dollar General for $3. So I'll just be using that, and I'll be using some flowers that I got on sale at Michael's. I believe they were about $2, $2.50, I believe. And then I have some gold flowers. They were like $1.50 a piece, which was a really good deal. And that's really it. I'm not gonna be adding anything else. I did decide at the very end to add like a tulle bow, and that was it. So just let me know in the comments if you like how it turned out. I had a lot of fun creating this.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when sleigh bells happen. Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
So now I'm just going to be finishing up the bow by adding some gold to it. And then I'll be finished with this wreath. I think that it turned out really nice. And let me know what you think in the comments. And look out for pictures as well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving.